GM guys, welcome to the new episode from OX Hades. We'll be speaking about one project, one very important project which I have mentioned before, and if you faded, you missed out on some big gains, okay? So today I'll be speaking about liquid. Yes, liquid, stay hydrated, okay? The natural language for Web3 economy. What is liquid agent? It's an interface layer for tomorrow's finance, built for humans by humans, designed around natural language. It transforms the complexity of crypto into simple and intuitive conversation. Whether you're trading, staking, or just exploring, liquid agent will do things for you on chain and you won't have to. So, to make it simple, trustless agent that works actually for you, okay? It has some deflationary tokenomics. It's prepared to help you out whenever you need it, okay? So why is it big? This is a doxxed team. This is a team who already have revealed their identities. They have good experience in the Web 2 as well as Web 3 space. They have shared here their resumes. You can check them out also on LinkedIn and X. CEO and CTO. They already did Project 5, which did pretty well. Okay, so let's focus on why Liquid Agent is going to be big. Okay, they already partnered with over 20 African banks and aiming for the 700 billion remittance market, not just crypto native. It's a real world use case, okay? And the token utility, you can ask about the token utility. What's the token utility? Why should I hold liquid, right? So it isn't just a meme. It has buybacks and burns, revenue share, DAO voting. 60% of the supply is locked, okay? So the real market cap is around 2.3 million in circulation. The product is already live and most of crypto Twitter hasn't caught on to this yet, guys. So I encourage you to take a look at the chart. It's very bullish, only up. I shared this a lot lower, so if you have been following my channel, you would be in for a big gains, okay? So this is Liquid Agent. Give it a thumbs up if you missed, and if you haven't missed, also give it a thumbs up, okay? See you later in the next episode.